Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the shifting, and I'm gonna tell you the main reason why your bike is not gonna shift. Now, if it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button right there, because I love to work on the vintage bikes, and I love to work on the newer bikes, and I do provide a lot of content on the bicycle scene. Okay, now let's get back onto the shifting. Now this bike over here, let me zoom out, hasn't been tuned out in a decades. Now let me show you what I mean by that. Surprisingly, if you look here, you have this cable which is nice and firm. See? Now look again, boom. Look at this disaster. What happens in Canada here, or even in USA, we have winters and summers, and then the wires do get exposed, and they get longer and they get loose. And what has happened if I go over here? Okay, look. And if you look over here, I'm not getting this guy, the railer, to shift. And guess what? This is the obvious reason what's happening. Now, when you have this kind of situation, this is how you can test your derailleur without adjusting your screw limiter. Now look here. Okay, I'm gonna try from this angle. And guess what? This thing is working. Now what do you have to do? You gotta come back to this screw over here, and you have to adjust this wire, bring it up, and then you'll be able to get this derailleur to shift. There's a lot of videos out there that go and talk about quite in detailed information what's happening, why your bike doesn't shift and whatnot. But this is the main reason how you can test your derailleur when you're at the scene and you have the wires hanging this way. That's how you can check how your derailleur and why the bike won't shift before you buy it and get into some pricey repairs. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find it useful. Hit that thumbs up. Hope you find it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.